Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel and another day of Vlogmas. So today's video is actually a swap that I organized, which is just a DIY Mickey ear holiday swap, or DIY holiday Mickey ear swap. I contacted a few of my friends that I know make Mickey ears. Some of them have Etsy shops and some of them just make them for fun. And basically we just filled out a few like kind of holiday or Christmas preferences. You got your person, you DIY them a set of ears and send them off. This is a super simple swap. The video will probably be pretty quick, which is great for you guys because that means it'll be super easy to watch each video. So please go check out all of the other channels involved in this. A quick thank you to all of my friends who were willing to participate in this swap. I love the ears that you guys make. They bring such joy to my heart. Just anytime we've done a box swap or an ear swap and I've seen the creations that you guys have done, it's amazing, you guys. When I say that these are truly creative, amazing creators, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. So please go watch their videos, give them a thumbs up, share them, and just dive headfirst into some really great Disney ear swappage. So I do have my box here and it does have some cute Mickey stickers on the front that I would love to show you guys, but it shows like my address and her address, so I'm not going to do that. But my sender is Jessie from Miss Cherry's channel, so be sure to head over to her channel after this video and let her know that you love these ears because I already know they're going to be amazing. There's a card. It says, okay to read on camera. Okay, I always read cards on camera. I don't know if maybe I shouldn't be doing that, but I always read cards on camera. Oh my god. Okay, this is so cute. Oh my god, that's so funny. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up, but it is of Donald and his nephews, Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and they made a rather unflattering snowman version of Uncle Donald and then also labeled it Uncle Donald just so that he would for sure know. But it's okay because it looks like he's about to get some playful revenge with a snowball fight. That is, guys, that's a freaking cute card. I'm framing this, Jessie, so thank you for sending it to me. Saria, happiest holidays to you and your beautiful family. Thank you for inviting me to this super fun swap. The ears I made are very fragile. Good to know. So I made a backup pair just in case they didn't make the journey. Fingers crossed they made it in one piece and then you get some bonus ears. Today's theme is peppermint. Jessie, aka Miss Cherry. When I say I love peppermint, I mean like I love anything red and white peppermint Christmas themed. Like it is something I'm really, really into. So I'm dying to get into these. I'm gonna stop talking. Jessie, you did not have to send me 2 pairs. Like, I mean, even if they're broken, I might be able to fix them, but that's ridiculous. You did not need to do that. Oh my god, look at our wrapping paper. Okay, so here's pair number 1. I don't know which pair is the fragile pair. This says the ears. So maybe this pair? Okay. It's got Minnie and like all of her Christmassy best. Look how cute that is. Hopefully it's not really like reflective. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna be real. I'm so excited. I need to calm down. Okay. So I think this is the fragile pair. They made it. They totally made it. Oh my god, guys. Okay, I think that these are made of magic mold. Jessie, correct me if I'm wrong, because I made a set of ears out of magic mold that are also Treats ears, and I was too afraid to send them. So I kept them. There were a couple other reasons I kept them, but that video is coming out. Stay tuned. Oh my god, and the bow, guys, it's one of those like reversible sequin bows, so it's like red and green depending on which way you flip it. Oh my god. Where's my phone? My camera doesn't have like the flippy viewfinder, so I can't see. Oh, hold please. Okay, I like ran into the bathroom to look in the mirror. Jessie, these are precious. They are absolutely precious. I freaking love them. Oh my, and they totally look at my aesthetic right now. Like, I am Christmas. I love them. I really, really love them. And guys, Jessie even took the time to, I'm sorry, I'm trying to be careful because she said that they're super fragile. She took the time to like cover the headband in like this sequin fabric. And then she even put these little like clear crystals around the lollipop or the peppermint, probably to like secure it even more so. She did such a good job. Oh my God, I seriously do. I love them. I love them so much. Jessie, I'm so amazed and impressed. These are absolutely stunningly gorgeous. Jessie, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I freaking love them. They totally made the travel, the journey. They made it to Texas from Alaska. So that's amazing. Good job packaging. Proud of the US Post Office right now. But there is another pair in here, so I'm gonna keep unwrapping. It says backup ears, LOL. Also super cute Mickey, Donald, Pluto, Goofy wrapping paper. These are cute. Oh, they're like candy. Okay, these are super cute as well. Look, guys. Oh my God, they're so lightweight, Jessie. These are so comfortable, lightweight. I love the candy. She even got candy canes on here, again, kind of going with like my love of peppermint. You know what's funny though, guys? I'm not saying like I love to eat peppermint. Like I don't want to receive like a box of peppermint candy. I just love the look of peppermint. It's just so Christmassy to me. Anyway, these are so cute and they're unlike anything I have in my collection. Like all my Christmas ears, these are very unique. Let's try these on and then I'll need to run to the bathroom, so excuse my cutting. Oh, God. Okay, these are freaking cute too. Oh my God, you guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments below which pair is your favorite. Now, full disclosure, this pair is definitely my favorite. I love the peppermint. I love that I can tell how they're homemade and they're one of a kind and they're gorgeous. Jessie, they came out so beautiful. And then these are just, they're so unique because they incorporate colors that like I don't have in my other ears, and I love that. I love the sequin bow. I'm always so impressed by people who cover the headband because I'm just not that person. Like I don't. I hate it. I hate covering headbands. So when people do it and they do this good of a job, I'm like, how? Jessie, thank you so much. I love both of these sets. They are so gorgeous. You didn't need to send me 2 pairs. Like, I understand why you did. It's probably the best excuse I've heard for breaking rules, but at the same time, like, you really, really didn't need to. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta put these on. Like, I love them both, but we know these are my favorite. Jessie, thank you so much for sending me 2 beautiful pairs of ears. You seriously, you did such a good job, guys. Jessie does have an Etsy shop, so I will leave it linked below. I don't think that her shop is open 24/7. I think she does like periodic openings. If I'm wrong, Jessie, please correct me in the comments below just so that everyone knows, and I'll like pin it to the top. But she makes gorgeous ears, and guys, if you're someone who like suffers from headaches, I will tell you, these are like the lightest weight ears I've ever worn. Like I only feel the headband. The ears are like all foam, like there's no cardboard in here or anything like that. So I do think that these would feel really good over a long period of time. And I think that these are probably like more of what she has in her shop. I don't know that she sells these in her shop. Especially since she said that she was like afraid of them breaking. I don't think she has these. So I have a one-of-a-kind pair. Jessie, thank you so much. Like, oh my God, you just seriously nailed it. I love them so much. They're so festive and fun and very me. And that's always fun. That's like kind of the best box to open, is when you just feel like they really know you and your likes and like they know you so well. So thank you so much, girl. I love you. I love your channel. I'm sure you guys already know Jessie and Miss Cherry's channel, but if you don't, maybe if you're new, or if you just kind of discovered the Disney YouTube community world thing, then make sure to head over to her channel and subscribe, leave her a comment, give her a like, and go see the fabulous ears that she got, because I also knew who sent to her, and we got some artists in this group, let me tell you. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on when my video tomorrow goes up, because I am participating in Vlogmas, which means I am posting every single day from December 1st through December 24th. Merry Christmas to you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for my next video. Bye!